Leetcode Weekly Context 491. Question number 1. Trim trailing vowels. So this question is asking to remove some characters. I'm going to start a loop from the end of the string and do the loop backwards. So this is the direction. The reason I'm doing this is because I can stop whenever I find out the first consonant. I can stop there. And the edge case will be if there's non-consonant, which means all characters in this given string is a vowel. Then we can just return a empty string. That's the solution we're gonna do to solve this one.